3 easy ways to hang Bernardin mason jars to save space and create a vertical herb garden. Number 1. Use the lid and screw to secure it into the board. Number 2. Use an adjustable 4.5-inch hose clamp and use a screw to secure into place. Number 3. Use a wire to secure the top of the jar and create a hook. Now fill the bottom of the jar with leca or rocks to create a drainage. You don't need lots of yard space or a huge garden to successfully start your garden. Bernardin mason jars make it easy to garden within your current space.